first trip to Italy together as a group. As you can hear the music, we're in Italy. All right, we're at OREGANO'S in North Scottsdale, but it feels Italy-ish, right? And then I wanted to bring the South into the situation, so I got a sweet tea, kind of. All right, it's a tea with sweetener, but Lee's here, so I'm trying to make him feel at home. I was gonna pull out some of my teeth, but then I thought he'd hit on me, so we didn't want to do that. Why are you laughing? You know you would, especially the front ones. Anyways, so we're at OREGANO'S, and we're having a little moment where we go back and we think of all my favorite dishes. Big rig pastas, Bollo pastas. There's even a salad I used to get when I was thinking I was dieting. There it is, the Bollo Pasta Mexican salad. Mexico, you can't say Mexican. Apparently that's racist, I'm sure. I don't know why. They all live here now anyways. You cannot say that. Anyways, bullshit. So, today's a basic trip. Bollo pasta. Here's what we got. A bowl of pasta. But you get to choose your pasta, your sauce, your topping. So I went with pasta, meat sauce, meatballs. Gonna add the cheese. Gonna get a few bowls of that. Might rotate, because I just realized I might want angel hair for round 2. So we'll alter. And then at the end, the surprise, the dessert. Those from Arizona already know what a pizookie is. And those from California are like, oh, we have those too. It's the cookie with ice cream. Ours is fucking better, just like the state. It's not run by Democrats. Anyways, I'll show you guys in a minute. It's gonna be delicious. You're gonna wish you were here. And it's cheap. I took Todd here last time. First thing, he gets in the car, he says 2 things. Thank God I'm out of fucking California. And let's go to OREGANO'S. So I'll see you guys in a bit. There we go.
Here?
Oh, yes.
Perfect. Do you want any extra Parmesan?
I think we're good.
We're good?
Did you taste it?
No.
It's so good. You
Yeah,
should have
it's
tried some.
awesome.
You can have some. Sit down.
Don't tip me, what a good time. You want any cracked pepper on top?
No, I think we're good.
We're good? Okay.
Appreciate you.
Enjoy.
You guys ever had this? This is bruschetta. They call it Authentico. It's just normal bruschetta, but they have some other bullshit one that they brought into play. So they need this one for the people who actually know what good tasting bruschetta is. There's only 2 plates, so apparently from the South you don't use plates. Why would they give him one? I don't know. Go. This is the kind of shit you have when you're in Italy, people. We just can't travel there because people are afraid of a virus that kills pretty much no one. Anyways, here we go. When you eat Italian food, when this song is on, it's like drinking with a good wine. It enhances the flavor with the crispness of his voice and the crispness of this bread. Fucking delicious. Get in here. Bruschetta Authentico. OREGANO'S in Italy / North Scottsdale. I'll show you around 2 shortly. Thank you.
Of course. Times 2.
Look at that.
And a chicken parm pasta.
Nicely done.
Any Parmesan cheese?
Yes, please.
You
It'll
got
be
it.
emotional. So this bowl of pasta refills itself over and over and over until you can't eat anymore.
Alrighty.
So here we go.
You know what?
Yes, ma'am. Perfect.
Awesome. Some over here.
Please.
You got it. Pardon me.
Big reach, don't worry. Color win.
All of there you go.
Right there.
Done.
Perfect. Some on the chicken parm.
Of course.
You got it. Go ahead.
It's
and
cheese.
We love cheese.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank
Anything
you
else
much.
I can grab?
Even distribution, I love
I
it.
think we're good. I could use another one of these soon, please. It'd
Got
be
it.
great.
I'll bring it over.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So here's the key when they put the fresh. You don't want to see anything else anymore, just cheese. That's when you only have enough. Look, there's no sandwich there. That's just fucking cheese now. It's perfect. You barely even see the red from the sauce. Now you're ready. We're gonna spin it all in. There'll be tears, be emotion. You notice that she's seen the videos. Distribution was
beautiful.
None of this dump. It was, a song's on. I won't dance. I don't want to, And then you guys are going to realize I am definitely not all white. You know what I'm saying? She already knows. It's okay. Not from dance. Anyway, okay. gonna eat. See you guys in a minute. What a jam. Well, right now I'm going through fear because our waitress is going on break. But she said to just shout out, so we should be fine if I need anything. But she gave me a fresh fill. So anyways, we're still on the first bowl. And I'm dividing the meatballs so I can have equal bites per bite as I finish this first bowl off and decide what I'm gonna go with next. Flawless though. They gave me a lot of sauce. I don't like to be overly saucy. It's fine because I'm gonna bring this in, and then of course you all know scoop technique, right? Lean it in, make sure the full bite's covered, good to go. I'm not gonna like jam this in my mouth. I don't want you guys getting any fucking ideas, but I'll eat it just kind of the edges. It'll be great. Okay. Nice try. Nice try. You do phenomenal. Your best is the best.
I went 6 to midnight on that dessert order.
Yeah.
And you
Feel
halved
good
it up
with
like
it?
that?
Yeah, you knew.
It was
Yeah. I don't mess around.
touched me inappropriately.
Well, yeah,
I
it's
enjoyed
just
it.
it's like a tickle.
Just the right amount of
Yeah.
tickle.
You don't want to squeeze.
No.
There's a certain technique. Yes. It's like golfing. Kazuki's coming. Half and half. It's not yet. Don't worry. They gotta cook it, Todd. There's time here. Thank you. Amazing. This is why. Look at this thing of beauty. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
So look, you see the steam? The cookie was just cooked. The ice cream is just put right on top. It's melting it out the other side. This is the original pizza cookie Pazuki. Let's get emotional here. Look at. They undercook the cookie. See that? This is old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. Smell. Airplane. I'm telling you. I know you guys have had this at Alcatraz and other places. It's not the same. BJ's Brewery. Knock it off.
You know where they are?
No. This one. In Italy / Scottsdale. At OREGANO'S. We went 50-50. Chocolate chip. White chocolate macadamia. Both. Why? I wanted all sorts of soul at this table. We like to feel all different things here. Okay? We got no walls at this table. No, it's not like the Capitol. It's surrounded with walls, keeping the citizens out. No. Look at that. Look at that. The ice cream's getting melty. It's getting melty. All right, guys. I'm going to let you go, but this is what you need to get. She's back. She wants to know how it is. She wants a bite, is what she wants.
You want a bite?
Of course, always.
All right, we'll set you up. Till next time. See you soon. Fuck off. We're going to eat. They don't know yet.